Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and in today's video I'm having a good platform for you. So kindly subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new video on YouTube. So if you are new to this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new video on YouTube. So this is the platform that I'm going to show you for today's tutorial called 77.in platform. So this platform is a betting platform where you bet on colors and you earn money for free every day. So guys, kindly watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video and watch this video to the end. I'll be showing you how I'm making money from this platform, and I'll be showing you a real withdrawal proof from this platform. So after you have clicked on the link, I'll be leaving my registration link in the video description. So kindly click on the registration link in the video description. Sign up with your email, your phone number, and your password. Then after you have created your account, you will land on the dashboard of your account. So this platform requires a minimum deposit of 11 USDT. So you let me show you how you can make deposit on this platform. So you click on this recharge button here, and you click on this to copy your address. So you copy your address and you open your crypto wallet to withdraw 11 USDT on to this platform. Make sure you the amount that you'll be receiving on this platform is 11 USDT. If you are using Binance for withdrawal, they will deduct 1 USDT. So make sure you'll be withdrawing 12 USDT from your account, then you receive 11 USDT from here. So the amount that you are seeing here is 2 USDT. On this platform, 100 coin is equivalent to 1 USDT. So let me show you how you can make money on this platform. So you click on this win button here, and I'll be leaving the group link in the video description. They give 5 predictions per day, and the Ghana time for every prediction. The Ghana time starts from 6 o'clock a.m. And 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and 4 o'clock. That's the Ghana time for the prediction. So I'll be leaving the group description. So I'll be leaving the group link in the video description. So kindly join the group for the prediction. So this is the predictions for today. So they predicted the server is parity and the color is red. So what you have to do is to open the platform. If you open the platform, make sure you refresh it. Make sure you refresh the platform. So guys, please kindly subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification. So make sure you select the server parity. Make sure you select this server, and the prediction was red. So you join red, then you choose the amount you want to bet with. So this, you can choose to bet with 100 coin, which is equivalent to $1, or 10 coin, which is equivalent to $0.1. So this is how you can earn on this platform. So if you bet and you lose, they have a policy, the ×3 policy, so that you as soon as you win, you recover your loss and you gain a profit. So guys, this is how you can earn on this platform, and this platform is very profitable. So let me show you the withdrawal I just made on this platform. So I'll click on the withdrawal and click on, so this is 2006 to amount that I withdrew from this platform, and check the time and date. The date was today. Check the time and the date I made this withdrawal. So let me open my wallet to prove to you that I received this money from this platform, and the withdrawal is processed within 1 hour. The withdrawal is processed within 1 hour. So you can check the time and the date I received this money in my account. So this is the deposit I received from the platform. So guys, this is how you can earn on this platform, and kindly subscribe to this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to this channel.